Thinking about some things that happened the wrong way. Thinking about some things that end in gunplay. Thinking about some things that happened the wrong way. Thinking about some things that end in gunplay. Thinking about some things that happened the wrong way. Thinking about some things that end in gunplay. Thinking about some things that happened the wrong way. Thinking about some things that end in gunplay. Woke up early morning, got a phone call. They said my cousin got killed, I couldn't believe it, dawg. So I called his phone and went straight to voicemail. Then I called the fam, cause it didn't seem real. Then they told me it was true, I dropped down to my knees. It brought tears to my eyes and made the fam weak. When I heard the news, my anger got the best of me. I tried to order up the stress, so it be history. I haven't cried in a while, but this got the best of me. I tried to hold it in, but my cuz meant a lot to me. I wish somebody was there that could take his place, cause I feel like this stuff happened the wrong way. I'ma miss you, big cuz, and you know that I love you. I know you in the clouds, and you looking down. Ronnie and Cameron stay strong, cause Bryson better place. And he looking down, watching over the fam.
I know it don't feel good, but it's gonna be okay. Even though no matter how much time passes, we'll love you always, and we'll never forget. I know it don't feel good, but it's gonna be okay. Even though no matter how much time passes, we'll love you always, and we'll never forget you.
Happened in the wrong way, and I hear you thinking God might have caught the wrong play. Mama told me the man upstairs don't make mistakes, so I know my big cuz is in a better place. But it had me confused, gave me the blues when lil' bro told me the news. Calling around, texting us and everybody, is it true? So can't believe that it was you. Now our family in pain, and them tears falling down at the mention of your name. But I know gotta make sure that we all be okay. We live in a crazy world, I know you in a much safer place.
In a much safer place.
And all I can really say is that we love you and we miss you, and we hope to see your face one day.